Di balik senyum yang selalu terpancar, terdapat perjuangan panjang yang telah saya lalui. Perjalanan di Forex Grandmaster telah mengubah saya menjadi pribadi yang lebih kuat dan tangguh. Kini, waktunya membuktikan bahwa perempuan bisa bergerak dan berkarya tanpa batas. Saya Erika dari Forex Coffee di Patiukur, Bandung, siap membawa pulang trofi Forex Grandmaster 2024.
Perjuangan saya bukan sekedar meracik biji kopi, tapi juga membawa nama Minahasa ke seluruh penjuru. Ini adalah bukti bahwa cinta kepada keluarga dan tanah kelahiran bisa diwujudkan dalam secangkir kopi yang akan saya buat. Kini waktunya untuk menjadi pemenang dan membawa langkah kaki ini berjalan lebih jauh lagi. Saya Gibson Lumanau dari Forex Coffee Megamas Manado, siap berjuang dan menjadi yang terbaik. Yaya Tusanti.
Welcome to Forex Grandmaster 2024. The biggest Forex Coffee Barista competition in search for the best Forex Coffee Barista. Tahun ini Forex Grandmaster kembali dengan membawa misi baru, Reinventing the New Coffee Culture. Pemenang utama Forex Grandmaster 2024 akan mendapatkan hadiah utama 1 unit Vespa Primavera dan hadiah lainnya dengan total 100 juta rupiah. Dan untuk pemenang kedua akan mendapatkan hadiah dengan total 50 juta rupiah. Terima kasih untuk dukungan para sponsor untuk perjalanan Forex Grandmaster 2024. And please welcome back the top 2 of Forex Grandmaster 2024. Hello there.
Halo Kak.
Erika and Gibson. Finally you guys made it to the top 2. Aku pengen nanya sama Erika, apa sih yang akan kamu berikan di grand final ini?
Aku pasti bakal nampilin yang terbaik dan memberikan juga apa yang udah aku persiapkan dari lama untuk kompetisi kali ini.
Oke, Gibson, boleh kasih tahu satu alasan kenapa kamu merasa dia adalah pejuang yang sangat tangguh dan saingan terberat kamu?
Erika tuh latihannya lebih intens menurutku aja ya. Tapi aku bakalan menampilkan hal yang lebih baik lagi mungkin.
Tetap semangat semuanya. Dan tentunya hari ini juga kita sudah bersama-sama dengan para penonton yang sudah tidak sabar untuk mendukung the grand finalist of Forex Grandmaster 2024. Kita berikan tepuk tangan dulu semuanya. Before we start the competition, please welcome our amazing judges. Shaila Philippa. And next we have Boram Last but not least, Mikael Jasin. Hello judges.
Hello.
Finally we are here. And I wanna ask to Shai. Menurut kamu nih, dari dua finalis kita ini apa sih yang harus mereka sajikan dan menjadi pemenang di Forex Grandmaster 2024?
It comes to show that all of you have the skills, hospitality, and mastery of the tools in coffee to achieve the Foreign Grandmaster, and we cannot wait to see what you have learned along the way and also prove it to us today.
And Bora, what key characteristics do you think is most important for the grand finalists of Foreign Grandmaster to possess today?
A key skill both of you guys already showcased throughout the few challenges that we had was hospitality and service. Amazing connection with customers. Eager to see that today as well.
And what about you, Miki? Apakah sudah ada calon-calon the next role model barista Foreign Coffee yang kamu cari?
Pastinya karena udah bisa sampai di top 2, hari ini tinggal membuktikan ke kami dan ke teman-teman yang ada di sini bahwa kalian adalah next Foreign Grandmaster dan jangan lupa for one last push.
Sebelumnya kita juga akan panggilkan representatif dari Foreign Coffee yang akan memberikan tantangan kali ini. And please welcome Matthew Ardian. Hai Matt.
Hai.
As a Chief Marketing Officer Foreign Coffee, kira-kira kualitas pemenang juga tantangan apa yang akan diberikan oleh Erika dan juga Gibson?
We want someone to not just continue the legacy but also born legacy. To have someone is very confident and also very innovative, especially for the Indonesian coffee culture.
As we know, minuman favorit kita semua, Butterscotch Sea Salt Latte ini sudah terjual lebih dari 6 juta cup dari hari pertama. Dan apakah challenge hari ini akan membuat signature drink dan merepresentasikan the new trend?
Kita mau lihat kira-kira apakah dua finalis ini bisa membuat signature drinks tersebut dengan misi reinventing the new coffee culture.
Berbeda dengan tahun kemarin, untuk challenge grand final tahun ini, kita akan terdiri dari 2 challenge. Challenge yang pertama, manual brew throwdown. Challenge yang kedua, membuat espresso, latte, dan signature coffee. Untuk menentukan peserta mana yang akan tampil terlebih dahulu, kita akan menggunakan mini challenge yaitu triangulation. Di mini challenge ini, para finalis akan mendapatkan waktu maksimal 7 menit. Peserta akan diberikan 5 set kopi untuk dicoba yang masing-masing berisi 3 cup dengan satu yang isinya berbeda. Pemenang mini challenge adalah grand finalist yang paling banyak dapat mengidentifikasi cupnya yang berbeda dari setiap setnya dengan tepat dan tercepat. Dan technical judges akan membantu untuk mencatat waktu dan ketepatan dari setiap grand finalist. Let's start the mini challenge.
Gibson ready?
Ready, sir?
Erika ready?
Yes.
Time.
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 Gibson, kita akan mulai dari cups yang pertama. Benar. Salah. Benar. 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 Erika, silahkan diangkat. Salah. Salah. Selanjutnya. Salah. Salah. Salah.
Dan untuk pemenang mini challenge kali ini adalah Gibson. Congratulations to Gibson.
Thank you so
Kamu
much,
menang
Kak.
di mini challenge kali ini dan berhak menentukan apakah akan tampil terlebih dahulu atau menyerahkan kepada Erika terlebih dahulu.
Oke. I'm going first.
Oke, Gibson akan mulai di challenge yang pertama kali. Let's go to the next challenge. Peserta pertama kita hari ini, Gibson.
So, good evening judges. I'm gonna start with my manual brew throwdown. Time. In my life, before I chose to build my career path in a coffee business, I used to be just a regular guy who didn't know anything but coffee. Until one special moment. The moment who bring here in this special situation. The moment when I take a sips, a bitter, and a complex taste of a single shot espresso. Here you go. So for my espresso, I use a Forex Classic blend. A coffee blend between Toraja Mamasa, Java Priyanger, and Aceh Gayo. The medium acidity comes with the medium to high body and low to medium sweetness, and 20 grams of ground coffee, like a 40 grams of beautiful espresso. Between 33 to 37 extraction time, make a roasted nut, dark cocoa, and sweet of caramel taste note. I'll be back in a moment. I'm gonna use Forex Classic blend. This is the same coffee that I will use in every single course that I will serve for you today. For my ratio, I'm gonna use 20 grams in and 40 grams out. Between 33 to 37 extraction time to get the roasted nut, dark cocoa, and sweet of caramel. The essential about Forex Classic blend, if the espresso meet the 120 milliliters hot and steamed fresh milk in 60 degrees Celsius to make more tasty and incredibly wonderful flavor. Excuse me, judges. With the silky texture, creamy mouthfeel for you, Boram. Medium body, medium acidity, dark chocolate, and little bit nutty for you, Sheila. I want to give you the best taste of cafe latte for you, Mickey. I came from Manado City, a beautiful city from North Celebes. In my city, we have so much different culture, ethnic, and of course, culinary. So today, I want to give you one of the best cake in Manado City through this signature drink that I will serve you today. This beverage contains 10 milliliters of classic hazelnut, 5 milliliters of European strawberry, 5 milliliters of donut syrup, 30 milliliters of liquid whipped cream, and 110 milliliters of oat milk. Combine into one and shaking consistently. Pour it into cup. Excuse me, judges. For you, Boram. For you, Sheila. For you, Mickey. So in this cup, you can get the texture of creamy and a sweet, followed by a rum cake, and continue with the fruity flavor. So please enjoy the Brudel latte. So judges, this is the end of my presentation today. Thank you for the opportunity given. I'm Gibson Lumano. May saesaan, maleoleosan, pakatuan, wapakalawiran. Thank you, and it's a pleasure to brew for you. Time.
All right, Gibson.
Halo, Kak.
I guess we can start with your first one, which was the manual brew
Yep.
throwdown. So I found it a very enjoyable drink.
Yeah, thank you so
I
much.
think I can't help but compare it to your last challenge.
Yeah.
where there was not as much confidence in your brewing and delivery of the drinks, I'm really impressed. And same goes for your milk and espresso. I think you really delivered it. But the only comment I have to say out of everything is that you just rushed through everything at the end when you explain your espresso and the coffee recipe and origin a little bit further.
Your filter was well balanced. You pretty much were able to extract what the coffee had to offer. I could feel and taste some clear flavor notes like dark chocolate, some nuts, a little bit of plum. There's a little bit of herbal notes in the coffee as well. It's really nice and balanced.
Thank you so much, sir.
Your signature course was quite surprising and good. You connect to your whole story as well, your hometown. So, congratulations.
Thank you so
That was
much,
beautiful.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Secara general komen saya mirip-mirip karena kami bertiga lumayan impress dengan nggak cuman minuman yang kamu sajikan aja, tapi dari feedback yang kita kasih setiap babak kamu aplikasikan feedback itu supaya menjadi performer barista yang lebih baik. Itu yang kita lihat juga. Jadi nggak cuma apa yang ada di sini, tapi tiap babak kamu ada improvement. Itu salah satu ciri-ciri for a Grandmaster gitu ya. Bisa menerima feedback dengan rendah hati, kemudian diaplikasikan dan hasilnya jadi lebih baik. Ada beberapa yang bisa diimprove, terutama dari segi pouring susu dan latte art skills gitu ya. Beberapa visualnya masih kontrasnya kurang, terus juga kalau naruh latte art itu dilurusin sesuai dengan jurinya, jadi pas kita lihat itu simetris. Lalu juga di signature beverage, volume minuman saya itu jauh lebih sedikit dibandingkan teman-teman yang lain gitu. Jadi mungkin secara rasa nggak terlalu berbeda, tapi dari segi mouthfeel mungkin berbeda, dan kalau dibiarkan lama temperaturnya akan lebih cepat hangat duluan gitu ya. Jadi finer detail seperti itu yang bisa kamu terapkan. Tapi selain itu, congratulations once again.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Selanjutnya, Erika.
Time, I'm Erika from Fore Coffee di Patio Bandung. Sorry. Sorry, this one is for you. This one is for you. Thank you. Sorry. This one is for you and enjoy. Kopi merupakan keselarasan antara proses yang memberikan rasa yang baru. And now, let's get started to my espresso. I will use 3 different regions. 50% of Aceh Gayo, 40% of Toraja, and 10% of Bali. And here, I will using 20 grams in, 30 grams out with 30 seconds. And from the espresso, you will taste citrus like orange and nutty with levels of medium acidity, medium to low sweetness, and medium body. And before you drink, please stir 3 times with spoon that I prepare for you, and neutralize your palate with the provide water. Sorry, this is for you and please enjoy. This one is for you. Please enjoy. This one is for you. Please enjoy. I'll be right back. And now, let's move on to my milk course. I will use the same extraction process. And from this milk course, you can taste macadamia nut and aftertaste sweet like caramel. Now, I will use milk that blend 30% of almond milk and 70% of fresh milk. And I will steam until the temperature reach 60 degrees Celsius. to achieve a creamy and silky texture. Hi, thank you for waiting. Sorry, this one is for you. This one is for you. Please enjoy. This one is for you. Please enjoy. I'll be right back. Thank you. And now, I will make espresso. For my signature drink, I use Forest Classic Blend, which comes from 3 regions, Aceh Gayo, Toraja Mamasa, and Java Preanger. I use 18 grams in for 35 grams out with 33 seconds. And finally, I'm very excited to introduce my signature drink, The Blessing, yang mengartikan kebanggaan karena saya telah bisa berdiri hingga grand final ini. Let's get started. I'm using 4 cup espresso and I'm using 130 ml of mango and orange juice to create a body. I will using 52 mix iris syrup and strawberry pulp to create a texture and the sweetie. And from this menu, you can taste avocado, hint of peach, hint of watermelon, mangosteen, and you can smell aroma of tiramisu, and you can taste buttery mouthfeel. Please enjoy and I'll be right back. Thank you. Dan pada akhirnya, kopi telah membawa saya sejauh ini. Saya Erika, and this is my time. Thank you.
Well, Erica, you should probably be very proud. You quickly talk about your brew first. The coffee performed really well. And then going into your barista set, let's talk about the fact that you used 2 different coffees. You're able to explain about all the coffees with a lot of confidence. We could taste all the complexity of all your drinks. So first with espresso, I got all the nutty flavors, a really nice sweet brown sugar finish into your espresso. For your milk drink, you brought in a different blend of milk with almond and fresh milk. I could taste a lot of like praline, like a really nice, sweet, buttery dessert. A lot of transformation of flavor. And then your signature beverage, quite the creative beverage. Different flavors, like you had watermelon, mangosteen, a lot of complex flavors that I really enjoyed. I got a little bit of banana as well. Super nice texture. Great job.
Thank you.
Hey, how are you doing, Erica? All good?
Hi, good.
The only comment I could say about it is I could still see some hesitancy in your brewing, although there was actually nothing wrong. And for the open service for your barista, I was very surprised. I think from seeing you in the first challenge and then seeing your presentation now, it is completely different Erica, I can say. Someone definitely grew, and your espresso was very sweet for me with a subtle spice sweetness aftertaste. So I really, really enjoyed your espresso and your milk beverages. On the other hand, for your signature, I do have some comments. The texture you mentioned was buttery mouthfeel, but unfortunately for my cup, it was quite icy. I think one advice I can give you is you're using a 3-piece shaker. But I really appreciate your presentation. I saw that you were shaking when you were pouring your latte art, but you still powered through. Thank you so much for your presentation, Erica.
Thank you so
Good luck.
much.
Erika,
Hello.
brewnya very much experience-nya kita sama karena dari brew yang sama.
Thank you.
Lalu espressonya kualitinya tidak setinggi Chateau Boram karena saya dapat dari portafilter yang lain, cuman agak sedikit under extracted. Experience signature beverage-nya sangat-sangat enak, banyak sekali rasa-rasa baru yang muncul karena kombinasi dari ingredients kamu. Very good job, very well done, and good luck. Now you can relax.
Kedua grand finalist Fore Grandmaster 2024 kita telah menyelesaikan performa terbaiknya. Dan satu langkah lagi untuk menentukan siapakah juara dari Fore Grandmaster 2024. Dan perjalanan Fore Grandmaster 2024 terlaksana berkat dukungan dari Santino, Kip, Shot, Revlon, Cold Crafters, Maison Pie, Danjio Hyoji, Drip, Guataka Makmur Horekaba, Holisindo Dasa Anugrah, Ijo Lumut, Kopi Prima Indonesia, Moral, Studio Moral, Oten, Shankara. Well, kita akan segera mengetahui siapakah pemenang dari Fore Grandmaster 2024 dan layak menjadi the next role model barista Fore Coffee 2024 dan membawa pulang 1 unit Vespa Primavera dengan total hadiah 100 juta rupiah. Wow. But before the announcement, I think the judges want to say something first after you, Boram.
I'm super thankful and grateful to be part of Fore Grandmaster 2024. And I really appreciate all the hard work you guys been putting into all the challenges within these few days.
I'm very happy to see you grow. It is incredible to see what both of you had to offer today. And sebagai perempuan, saya juga bangga Fore bisa memberikan apresiasi kepada barista perempuan.
I am so proud to be a part of this competition, especially as the Chief of Coffee Innovation at Fore Coffee, to see so much potential. Dan potensi ini pastinya didukung oleh keberagaman kultur dan orang-orang Indonesia yang pastinya ini menjadi ingredients supaya kita bisa meng-reinvent the new coffee culture. So, the winner of Fore Grandmaster 2024 adalah Gibson.
Dan kami persilahkan kepada Bismara Putra, the winner of Fore Grandmaster 2023, untuk menyerahkan trofi. Dan selanjutnya kita juga akan mengundang Matthew Ardian, Chief Marketing Officer of Fore Coffee, untuk menyerahkan hadiah utama, yaitu Vespa Primavera kepada Gibson, dan juga trofi untuk first runner-up kita, Erika, di Fore Grandmaster 2024. And once again, congratulations to Gibson, the winner of Fore Grandmaster 2024. Terima kasih banyak telah menemani perjalanan di Fore Grandmaster 2024 dan sampai jumpa di Fore Grandmaster 2025.
Fore Grandmaster 2024 sukses!